Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can see, this video is going to be a little different today. I'm coming at you live from my parents' backyard. They're out of town, and I thought, what better thing to do than to use their smoker. Okay guys, so to start off, this is the smoker. You're going to open the lid, and right here to the side, you're going to fill it up with these wood pellets. This is what they look like. It kind of looks like animal food, but they're not. They're wood pellets, and this is what the bag looks like. You could buy it from like the hardware store, and you're gonna fill it all the way up to the top. There we go. Close it up. So once you plug it in, you're going to set it to 275 and turn it on. Once you start it up, you're gonna wait 10 minutes with the lid open. You wanna have it warm up and start smoking. So while it's warming up, you wanna go ahead and prepare your ribs. These are the ribs that I will be using today. You could either, these are spare ribs, but you could also find like baby back ribs. These ones were cheaper, so I got these ones. What you're gonna do is take this white part off the rib. See, this membrane is it's just like really tough, so you're just gonna toss it out. You're gonna go ahead and season them all up. Okay guys, now go ahead and put the ribs on the rack. These are gonna cook for 2 hours. And don't worry if they're super long and touching the walls of the smoker, because they will shrink while cooking. Guys, so 2 hours passed, and this is what it looks like. Wow, look at that. We're gonna take them out. Now it's time for the fun part. Go ahead and add whichever barbecue sauce you like, if you want to use any. And you're going to wrap these in foil and smoke them for another 2 more hours. Guys back in. Now, as you can tell, I double foil them because, you know, since they are ribs, they could rip the foil. And as you can tell here, I filled this up once because you want to make sure that it has enough of these wood pellets. And that's it. All right, guys, the 2 hours passed, so we're gonna take these out now. Yowza. Was this the one with barbecue sauce? I put barbecue sauce on only one of them. Ooh. There's number 2. This was the more big one. I'm going to show you guys what they look like up close. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It smells heavenly. It literally smells like bacon. All right, let's go ahead and give it a cut. Now these, like, you could literally just pull them right off. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. They're literally falling off the bone. I think you would need like a bigger knife for this guy. Like maybe this guy right here. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Holy mackerel. All right. right, guys, now for the best parts. We're gonna try one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let me focus this camera. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Wow, this is insane. Oh my gosh, focus. Wow. Let's see. So hot. Oh my god. This tastes like exactly like bacon. Whoa. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.